Ugh, ugh. This is so lame.
Sweet Queen, do you use TradingView?
Yeah.
Uh, Throw up the future trend channel on an indicator.
Huh?
So if you go to indicators, type in future trend channel, and then you can do like, your 5 minute, your 15, your hour, 4 hours, and it's going to give you targets of, it's going to say um, future price. You can just go grab that little target or any emoji that you want and just paste it on there. And you'll be surprised how many times that sucker is pretty damn on target or close. I got what's her name using it on here. Not CC. Shoot. But man, is it really deadly? It's pretty accurate. Um, Put it on the BTC dominance, and you go ahead and mark those future trend guesses. It's really helped me out a lot in the last few months.
Uh, I use linear regression channel.
Mhm.
It's like this is just a linear regression channel indicator.
The future trend channel, and just when you go through your different time frames, 5, 15, 30 hour, whatever, just grab that little target emoji and drop it on there and watch how many times the price goes right near near it, if not right on it.
Yeah, it's pretty close to our target at the psychological high on the 5 minute.
So, anyway, I am off to bed. Good night, everybody. Good luck. Cheers.
Night.
Nighty night. Well, Drew, where are you?
He
Getting
said he
what you
wouldn't come
want.
back to 98K.
Where is Drew? What's he doing?
Getting what you want.
He said, I'll see you at 98K.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Yep.
She
And I said, next year?
Yeah, did he put a time frame on that?
Nope. Man, what a sucker that market maker is. Ugh.
Well, what I'm doing is I go on isolated to short, and I did 200x on fork coin, but only $1 margin. And then as soon as the trade opened, I immediately increased my margin to back it up so it doesn't get liquidated real quick and get it to stick and then let it roll. And it held. But I'm not using a lot of money. So,
I was up 500.
damn, that's what I'm up right now.
Nice.
511. Yeah, but it's only a couple bucks. I'm only up $5 on the 500. So it's, what is that? It's a buck.
Go by percentages, though. Percentage wins.
Yeah, 543 here, but it's on a buck. So
Yeah, but you can't think that way. You can't think that way.
my spot's down like 200 and something, 250. 7%, maybe more now.
Quick double bottom here on the 5 minute, and then we're heading north. Let's go.
Mm. Oh,
Don't listen to anything I have to say after midnight.
my spot would like that.
Is somebody texting, or is that my phone?
That's me.
Oh, okay. I was wondering what was going on. I was like, I thought my phone was making noises. I was like, you don't have to text anybody. Everybody that you need in your life is right here in the Crypto Cypher YouTube channel.
Can they make me
Right
soup?
here.
I don't
They
think
can make
they can.
they could make you soup if you want.
Whoops, I'm texting.
Yo,
Who
YouTube
wants
chat.
soup?
YouTube chat. What's the good look on soup right now? You guys got it covered?
Dude, you make me want to go make soup now. Thanks.
I made killer
You're
soup. See,
welcome.
Ghost got it. My mom made soup today.
It's
I love
I
starting to
want
get
potatoes.
cold in the
soup
Pacific
Yeah.
Northwest, so it
Yeah, it's soup
fits.
season.
I got
I want
soup.
potato and coconut milk soup with a little bit of spice in it, please.
I got pot pie soup.
Soup is bullish. Yes, YG. I agree. Soup is so bullish. Bullish. Yep. That's it.
Dang
Because
it.
soup, I mean, you put soup in a bowl, so it's bullish. I agree.
Is that, is that like East Coast humor?
It might be. I come up with. I told you, don't listen to anything I have to say after midnight. I'm so freaking bored right now. Like, did you ever have like, where you're trying to balance like, where do you exhaust your energy? Like, where do you take your energy out on? And I'm like, I should go to sleep, wake up, and hammer down. And I'm like, I mean that like, if I had a project to do right now that I felt like I could start and actually complete, I would do something. But I'm just sitting here right now.
Yeah, you're in the what would you call the indecisive? You can't, whatever you do, you can't lock into something serious, but yet you can't settle down.
Yeah, I'm like, I have to go 110. So if I'm gonna do something, I need to go like from the time I start it till the time I finish it. There's nothing right now that I really want to start because I know I'm not gonna finish it. And at the same time, it's 1:30, and I'm like, well, I gotta get up early anyway. So trying to channel the energy into just like chilling. But then the charts are fun, so I have to try to bring a couple smiles here. People are talking about chili. Chili would be good right now.
Dude,
As soon as this weather
stop.
changes. Yeah, dude, clam chowder. Like, look, all these people, they know.
They're just not hopeful.
Chili is comfort
Mm,
food. Yes, when
you
you
guys are-
get smacked in the charts and you're like, man, what do I do with my life? You just get some soup, get some chili, feel comfortable. Twist is like pot roast. That's yes, it is pot. Yeah, it is. It is. Big buck hunting season. It's camp. It's big camp breakfast weather type of stuff on the campfire. Bust out the cast iron.
Speaking of, man, I went out to the shop yesterday. It was probably, a little but like an hour after dark, and I smelled that musty smell of what a deer smells like when they're laying in grass for a long period of time. And so the deer are out, man, and they're like eating my apples, the apples I didn't pick because they kind of had worms in them and stuff. So they're
Yep.
coming to the orchard to eat the bottoms of the low hanging apples, but I could smell their just smell them. You know that smell,
I
that
do.
that musty smell.
It's a smelly smell.
It's that season, man. It's the leaves are falling, the whole like I don't know. I mean, I don't know what it's like where you're at, but I know my buddies over in Oregon. Like
No, dude. Yes, we have literally like cliche picture fall seasons that would look like Holly. You know what I'm saying? The ones you see, the
yeah, well,
beautiful
you're on like the
wallpaper.
same equator line. That's how we are. We get like hanging on the wall picture frame type of stuff.
Yeah.
That's where we're at. My buddy, he said in Oregon it's going down to like 30s and stuff already. And I'm like, we had a little taste of cold weather for like 2 days, but 30s and 40s and stuff like that. But I think I'm gonna make some hot chocolate right now. I think
Bastard.
I'm gonna do that because like it makes you feel good.
Well,
Warms.
dude, you're younger than me, so you can afford to eat that shit late at night. I do that, and the next day my cholesterol levels will be in through the roof.
I got some hot chocolate.
Man, I thought I was random.
Well,
from
I
last
mean, like
year.
hot chocolate plus clam chowder plus chili, dude. I'll be dead by noon.
Dude, the YouTube chat will get you like that, bro. That's why you can't take everybody's advice. You know what I mean? That they'll tell you to do it all at the same time. Uppers, downers, sideways, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, you know what I mean? Don't go into YouTube chat and be like, yo, what do you guys think I should do? Because you're going to get hit from every direction, bro.
Oh, where'd you get that information, Chrome?
You think I'll be safe to drink my hot chocolate from last winter?
From when?
Last winter.
I don't know, bro. I had a cinnamon roll from last week. It didn't do me good. So I don't know if I would do the hot chocolate from last week. It depends,
He
though.
didn't pick up what you were putting
Dude, if
down,
it's
Iman.
still in the package, hell yeah.
All I know is I bought these marshmallows, those little baby ones, the little jet puff bits. And like, they just make me happy. You know what I'm saying? You put a little extra marshmallows in there. Yeah.
Dude, I
Gross.
pull out the hot chocolate packs out of my MREs that are 20 years old and I don't get sick.
Oh, okay. That gives me confidence.
I don't think chocolate
Oh,
goes bad,
really?
honestly.
I thought they expire.
MREs technically expire, but like I've never heard anybody die from it.
Man, my
Can
mom had a
always be the numbers.
buttload and she got rid of them because they're expired.
No,
sucks.
I mean,
I'll let you know.
I don't know.
We are dumping.
Ah, go figure. Look at
Freaking.
that.
DJ, I ate a Twinkie from a bomb shelter once. Nice.
You got a bomb shelter?
Twinkie.
I can't believe. It just was the retest of a stupid 50 on the 5-minute that got me. I'll know better next time. I'll do better.
Twist makes a good point. Water or milk for hot chocolate?
I don't care. Water, because I'm lactose intolerant.
Yeah, I mean, I like putting it in my coffee.
I have to do black plant-based everything. Or almond milk, oat milk. Sucks.
I wonder if fart coin could get down to 0.
You know what happens if I have milk or cheese, Emad?
0
Because you just mentioned.
Diarrhea?
Now, did you just say that word? No.
It's
Tummy ache?
You said fart coin.
Fart coin I'm looking to get it down to 10 cents. On some.
I'm a stick with you.
My tick profit in. I'll tell you what that'll give me. This is horrible. 10 cents will give me total profit of
It's just my money.
$153 off of $1. Woohoo!
Yeah. That's gonna be 1,000%er right there. More
And
than
then I
that.
get to go.
4,000, 5,000.
Let's see. It says 15,000.
15.
Oh, yeah, 15,000. I don't know how it calculates that.
Man. It
I don't
calculates it
expect
based off your leverage.
I don't know.
If you're up 1,000% on a trade, you take it. People
It's
take
$1.
5%.
A
No,
dollar margin.
yeah.
A dollar margin. I'm up to $7 right now. That's 730%.
If you had 50K and you threw 1,000 at it and you were up the percentage you're at right now, you would take it.
Oh yeah. That's why
That's
I
what
gotta
I'm
push it.
saying, though.
That's why I gotta push it to 15,000%. So I can have $150 and I can buy me some groceries.
You could buy Looney his slides.
I could buy 10, 20 pints. I could buy me.
Bro, it's 2025. Ain't nobody buying groceries, plural, with $150. It's a grocery.
Shit.
It's
You don't live
lettuce
where
or
I
something.
live. You don't live in Kansas City, Missouri, buddy.
Well,
Welcome
don't
to the
dox yourself. Jeez.
Welcome to the ghetto.
You get your
Where I can
groceries at
buy.
Walmart?
No, I buy them from Aldi.
Oh, Aldi, yeah.
For 150, I can walk out with a whole boatload of groceries. It's always at ShopRite. I buy macaroni and cheese, spaghetti, tacos.
Dang it. I don't like that it
I
left
can
a
get.
vector.
I give me a pack of, I think 2 pounds of chicken for $11.
I'd take this one.
Get me some eggs for $1.20.
You are a pure degen, man. Like, you're saving money with where you shop for food, but then you'll go into a short and get destroyed and just go, oh, it's another day.
Take that.
With $1?
Oh, I'm just saying, like, that's degen-y, man. If you're like, I mean, I have no problem trying to find good
Not
deals on
really.
food, but
I have $1 in it. All my money's in spot.
Dang it.
Why do you think I'm still here surviving? I would be
the way
done.
you talk, though, man, you always like you're always into something. You're always in a trade. Like you're always trying to find a trade. It's like you're itching.
Well,
Like you're,
I do these little rinky dink high
yeah,
leverage trades off the side.
hairy knuckles.
Dink a dink.
I like them. That's what I do.
Oh, I closed it.
What's the fun in sitting in spot and staring at a chart?
You can, dude. I'm making at least a trade a day. I mean, that's not. I just, I don't go crazy, but I get in and out of swings.
Yeah, but it's not action packed.
Well, that's what we got.
You
People in chat for.
Get your little leverage account. Go join Weeks. Put your little $20 in there. And just start throwing some little
That
dollars
is a good
around.
point, man. I mean, that is sounds like it would be fun. It's been a
It
while. It's been like
is
3 or 4 years since I've done that.
Understand that you'll never put any real amount of money in there. You just join off my link, put your $20 in there, fart around. You'll try and catch you a little short like this here. Make it 1,000% off $1, and you could just like laugh. When watching, then you could do that while you're watching your real money on spot. Just, Maybe you could make a quick $100 off a buck, and then tomorrow you can buy a couple pizzas or something. No, you only paid a buck for them and laugh. Or worse come to worse, you lost your buck, and you just had some little fun you could do while you're sitting around staring at a spot chart.
Well, to be fair, I have 4 monitors and only one of them's dedicated to crypto, so I'm usually always parallel. I'm always multitasking, doing something far more important.
Oh yeah, if you want to do other things, of course. I'm just talking if you're only one to stare at
If
crypto.
you're only a crypto degen, yes, I get it.
See, I have nothing open. I'm only staring at crypto. And I won't be doing anything because I don't do nothing. The only thing I'll do is make music. Or maybe watch a little YouTube once in a while. Sports. I don't even watch TV. I don't watch movies.
You mean you don't have like a music DAW open? You don't have your AI video stuff open? Like
I
what do
do.
you
That's what I do when I'm not doing this. I just mainly do that for fun. But right now I'm not doing anything with that. I'm like almost finished. I only got one song left. One more video and one song. I'm done with 17 songs and 17 videos.
Damn, you're cranking that out.
And then I'm gonna put the whole album out. Then I get to go back to my corner and cry about how I'm shadow banned on social media and they're hiding me and talk to any people.
Dude, you just need to create a whole new avatar of yourself. Like just create a whole nothing not tied to anything.
Yeah. Yeah. A whole new name. The problem is they start asking for IDs and facial recognitions when they start
Well,
realizing
did
like
you
somehow
just
they Mhm.
did you say earlier you were in the ghetto, living in the ghetto? I'm sure you know somebody that
No, I don't talk to them. I don't talk to none of them people. I just like stay to myself. I don't even talk to nobody. Like it's too much chance of
No,
getting
I get
killed.
it. Yeah.
They could like
So
rob me or kill me.
the 4-hour stochastic is pointing down on Bitcoin. Money is continuously outflowing. And the 1-hour multi-stochastic is very low. It's at 7. So that's reset. The 30-minute is also low. So it's reset. 15. So all of that. It bounces because the 1 and 5-minute they reset. So you see this
Yeah.
little tiny bounce, but
They're bottomed, man.
they're mostly there's not much meat here left. At least on the micro time frame. But the 4-hour has some room. It's at 65, so we could. But the 1-hour would have to reset. So you'd get a bounce from the 1-hour being so low. Whenever this move is done selling off, you should see a bounce. Theoretically.
Mm-mm. My spot account will be happy. Unfortunately, I might lose my $7 at 700%.
Wait. Compound.
I don't know what to do here.
Compound chicken that short.
Maybe I could take this and close it and open up a spot position with $7. I could buy like a couple doges or something.
I'm gonna keep one of these open.
Let's see.
What? Market signs. Why? Interessante.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo
¿Qué tal?
estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, gracias. Ay, ah, ¿qué hora es?
¿Tienes bien día?
No, no comprendí.
Did you have a good day?
¿Cómo?
Gustas mimis.
El jacket, pinche.
Chismoso.
Pinche jacket chupa.
Oh, does he know that?
I don't think so.
Does chismoso mean the same? Like chismoso means like
Does he know that?
I don't think so.
because in our language like chismoso means like what was that?
Cállate, puto.
Ha. Hey, whoever said email is a degen, they got it wrong. That guy, I've traded more than enough times with Eman. He shorts on a 1x.
Yeah, see?
The only way you're gonna liquidate Eman is if BTC hits 200k.
That's right.
¿Cómo está, Ghost?
Hey, I did a trade on
¿Cómo
1x.
está, señorita?
¿Cómo está?
Yo, Ghost, check it out. I didn't share your trades. I posted it. I did a 1x short for I think over 100%.
Maganda
on.
ba ang araw mo?
Magandang araw. It's literally hot. The world is changing, man. It's supposed to be cooler weather today, from during the Burr months, like October, November, December, but it's like summer right now. It's crazy. Really hot.
Monsoon weather.
No monsoons at all, man. Just straight up sunlight. Just no clouds.
Um,
Oh
I know
man,
the
I can't.
I know the
Hmm.
I know the perfect place for you to visit over there. There's this like little town. There's this little strip area you can visit over there with the bars, and it's like a party all weekend.
Oh no.
You might have heard about it. You know what it's called?
There's a lot of I mean the nightlife in the Philippines is pretty good. It's pretty alive. Depends on the city. Because remember, we're just like a couple thousand islands. So it depends on which city you're talking about.
My friend, I talked to my army friend that's over there, and he told me not to. I'm gonna get sick, and he said the only way I have a chance to not get sick is to live in the richest area. He said that the septic system wasn't good.
If you're in farmland, yeah, clean water is hard to come by. Because farm areas are crop dusted a lot. So there's a lot of chemicals going in the natural water underground. But if you're in the cities, it's no problem. Like the city I'm living in is actually has the second most potable water in the world. I can drink straight from the faucet or while I'm taking a shower and I'll be fine.
Really?
Me
Where's
too.
that at?
Davao. I'm in the south right now.
I'm gonna tell him that.
Trend surfer, up kasayin.
Okay, the place you're gonna go is called Manila.
Manila's the
Manila,
capital.
M-A-N.
Manila's huge. So Manila has a bunch of different cities in it. So
Okay. You're gonna go to the Bonifacio Global City. Uh,
Bonifacio.
Bar-
It's the
it's
global
called the
yeah,
it's
BGC.
called
Yeah.
the Barake.
Boracay is a beach. It used to be the best beach in the world. We have 2 beaches, actually about 3 beaches here that have been voted the best beach in the world multiple times.
Muje maaf karin Transurfer.
Why is it
What
not
was-
the best beach anymore?
To be honest, it's a money thing. If you want to be number one, a lot of these communities, they actually pay for the magazine to put them at number one.
Who is number one?
I thought you were going to say because Al Qaeda's running around on the beach, but name it.
We're a little far from that, bro.
I know.
We're in the fun and good side of Asia. Don't forget, we used to be a U.S. colony. We're the only country in this entire region that drives on the right. We're the only country that uses inches up to now. I have no idea why.
But you do have an island out there that's controlled by Al Qaeda, right?
No. Now
What?
you guys got to really stop listening to news, man. We
Well,
have insurgents. We have insurgents in these small islands that they hide out in. But in terms of if you're in the city, in the major cities, it's nothing to worry about.
I know that, but dude, I have a friend who's a Green Beret who's stationed over there, and that's all he does is hunt them turds down.
Yeah. There are some of these islands. So if you look at the Philippines, it has legs. It looks like a horse, right? It's the small islands on the very south kind of reach out in little parts, and it reaches out to like Borneo, Malaysia. So like, you know what I mean? So you get a lot of these insurgencies like try to camp out on these smaller islands. That's just it. That's about it. They use the island to hide, not to control. It's more of hiding because we have a lot of so my friend's from like he's Filipino, but he's in the Navy and stuff like that. Like they're all stationed everywhere in the Philippines. Like so they do their hunting in the smaller islands. It's so far from us. So I think control is not the word. It's more of they're using it as a place to hide.
Fill my order. Yes. Yes.
Which way are you going?
Down.
Down.
Yes. Kumusta? Mabuti.
Yeah. So even our
You speak-
language kind of sounds Spanish. Like como
Don't
says
you
like
guys
como está. Yeah.
speak Spanish over there in the Philippines
Yeah,
too?
we do. We
No.
do.
I
Yeah, we
knew
do.
it.
You
Depends
mean
on
yes?
my older ancestry is like pure Spanish. So Spanish is still spoken in our home, like from my grandparents. Yeah.
Because like Spain is involved with you.
Yeah, we were a Spanish colony for 300 plus years.
Wow.
Dude, my wife always gets mistaken for being Latina.
Yeah, they do. They mixed in with them.
I mean, look at our last names. It's all like Gonzalez, Cervantes, Ignacio.
Ramirez.
But we look Asian, right? We look
No, I'm-
Asian with Spanish last names.
I'm not gonna out my wife's last name, but let's put it this way: she didn't take my last name because hers is beautiful and mine sucks.
Is that really why?
No, seriously, if you heard her name and you heard my last
Something
name,
tells me there's more to the story here.
no,
Did you
her
take-
last
wait,
name is
did
her
you take
last
her last
name.
name?
No, her last name sounds. It's like when you say it, it's like you're singing, like it's very sing-songy. Last, it's very beautiful.
Why didn't you take her last name?
It's okay to do that nowadays, dude. You can do anything you want.
No, I'm pretty libertarian when it comes to that. I
You can do
know.
that. You can do the dash thing, right? That's the modern way of using.
Yeah, you can hyphen.
Okay.
You can hyphen it, dude.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah,
don't
good
get me
for-
wrong. I love my last name. I'm just saying it's not pretty.
Oh, I see how it is.
Now, if I wanted to raid
Traditional.
villages, my last name sounds perfect for raiding villages, but it's, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, so I was about to ask, like, are you like, do you have one of those Norse last names?
Yeah.
They're not very
Right.
nice to women during those raids.
That's all they do, rape and pillage. Let's go, Skål! Yeah.
Well, women do it too because there's
Dude,
shade
Yeah, they
shade
did.
maidens.
Mm-hmm.
Wait,
They did.
wait, shade maidens? Shield
Shield
maidens. There we
maiden,
go.
yes.
Shield maidens, yeah. So
Yeah.
my dad's Dutch, right? And his ancestry is really Viking, like
That's cool.
Viking ancestry, and yeah, it's
They're heathens.
there was a time where most of the Dutch Vikings were led by women. They were fierce.
When I was in the army, man, and I was training people, my last 2 years, women shoot so much better than men, and men can't handle it.
In the target, in the range,
Yeah, because they're so
but even
they're
in the
just
battlefield.
well, they're not allowed to be close quarter combat,
really?
but just yeah,
Ah,
it's still a
I didn't
thing.
know
But
that.
still, just the calmness. They don't have testosterone trying to get them all pumped up. It's just different. They're just calmer, and they listen, and they just don't freak out.
Combat roles weren't allowed for women until 2016 Ghost. So eventually we'll have a longer resume in the military and then we'll get to try to be president
Mm.
of the United
'Cause
States. of
I don't
America.
disagree with the shooting because my mom's like, she's over 60, right? She's in her 60s, but she still shoots better than me in the range.
And let's be honest, the only reason why women are not allowed in combat, it's not because of the women.
I know how to kick a guy in the crotch just as good as any other guy.
But they've done studies on this. If a guy has a buddy, a battle buddy, he's loyal to, and he sees a female and she's in
this is just a
distress,
myth.
he naturally will go and try to save her over his battle buddy.
No way. Oh, what did you just say? Say it again.
Men try to protect women naturally over men.
Carlson.
Oh,
Jake Carlson.
that's good for me. Better for me. Well, do you ever seen G.I. Jane?
Oh yes. Yep.
Jake
Are you
Carlson.
saying that's you?
That's no. I can't do one-handed push-ups unless I keep saying shoulda, woulda, couldas all day long. Then eventually I could. Are you gonna bounce?
The last day for Windows 10.
Oh no, that's what I use.
Destruction, tomorrow's death.
Dude,
What do I do?
I wouldn't keep your crypto on that Windows 10 machine after tomorrow,
don't-
dude, because
I don't.
Shut up.
What crypto?
What's gonna happen? Is it gonna be like a slow turnover, or they're just gonna
No,
suddenly?
They're
Just
just
that.
not supporting it anymore. They're not gonna like kill your freaking OS.
Exactly. They're just
They
not gonna.
actually, they said they're coming to people's houses to take out their old computers.
It's that guy if he comes into my house. I'm fine. I'm fine where Windows 10 is. I don't need another OS where I have to wait 3 years before it gets the right updates, man.
You know, that's weird that they jumped so fast though, right? Because didn't they have Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows,
Yeah, but they put
then I
like
think 10.
10 years in between of them, right?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like Windows 10, how long has Windows 10 been around?
Windows 11 is just Windows 10 reskinned.
Yeah.
I thought
Well,
7 was the
that's-
best.
7 was the best.
XP was
The
the best. What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
Windows 3.1 was the best. Come on, fam. Oh, we could
And
been
don't
we
make
could have been
me.
doing we could have been having the same conversation in the AOL chat room, hanging out 20 years ago.
That's how I met my wife. It was AOL chat.
There's more to this story. I'm telling you. I'm glad we're extracting little bits and pieces.
There is. I'm just waiting. You got to give it time,
Yeah,
bro. You got to
I'm giving them time, dude. I'm giving them time to let it all out there. So
I've
did you
already
go-
said it. I've
you
already
went to
said how
chat
I
and you
met
said
my wife.
like ASL, age, sex, location, and then she responded, and you were like, I love you," and you got married and happily ever after. Is that how it worked? Or?
No, I was Schofield Barracks, and she was in a University of Hawaii, and I just got on AOL for the first time. She was on there, and we chatted, and we didn't even send each other pics for like 6 months. So I could have been chatting to
old
a
school.
huge Samoan girl, as far as I'm concerned.
That's old school right there.
A huge Samoan girl. That's awesome.
And I don't mean fat, but I mean like big, as in like she could kick my ass.
They're
Yeah,
huge.
That's attractive. Someone to make you feel tiny.
That's not
You
hard
know?
for me. I'm not a very big person.
Sometimes you just want to feel small.
Twist says, "Am I trying to dox people?" No, all I do is ask the questions and then make comments, and then Jacket just goes out and puts out his social security number, his credit card. He says he's on Windows 10. He said, come after me. He said,
Dude, I live in a fortress, so I'm not afraid to say anything. I welcome it. I need some action around here.
Tell me
DJ,
about it.
didn't ICQ display your IP number? And then that was
ICQ,
how you
holy
could,
cow, that's old school.
that's how you could see. It was the only thing that you could see people typing. I remember ICQ, you could see people typing when they were typing. AIM, you couldn't see it.
Yeah.
Or they implemented it later or something. But
Yeah, you remember setting away messages that were meant specifically for somebody? Did you guys
Yeah.
do that back in the day? You'd be like, going out on a date tonight, or I'm away, and then your girl would hit you up, the one you were actually interested in, be like whatever, and then you're sitting by the computer the whole time silent. Maybe we should bring that back. I'm gonna put my Discord away just to see if
what's
people
my
check.
top 8 doing now?
Exactly.
I wonder how
Dude,
tall it is.
ICQ was the bomb, though. I love that. Was so, way ahead of its time.
ICQ was lacking in sound effects, I think is what it was, right? Like you
What you
send a
talking
message
about?
and
You
it was
could
like,
you could explicitly set events to a specific sound. I love
oh,
that
really?
about ICQ.
Yeah, ICQ was
Maybe I
fun.
have backwards.
It had that little cute sound, like it just tells you, so you know if someone replies to you.
I started changing the background of the colors. You could change the background colors
Yeah.
and like the font. It was like always Comic Sans or Ans.
It was like the first
We made-
Discord.
We made so many punters. If anybody remembers punters back in the AOL days, I had this punter, which is actually, I still actually own the name of it, I think somewhere, but man, we used to kick people off AOL all the time. They'd be calling their phone companies thinking something was wrong with their phone line because every time they got online would kick them off.
Who still uses their username from way back? Is it still the same username? Oh my god, really?
Mhm.
Yeah, that thing had to change. When you got older, you realize your
Well,
username
I
was
have a business email and then I have, a fun email that's meant for spam and subscriptions. When I became an
AOL pulled
adult, I couldn't give them that name anymore.
AOL pulled off the ultimate money grab too before they sold. Like most people thought that the AOL email addresses, if they canceled their AOL 56K modem dial-up connection, they would lose their email. So they just paid for them for like ever and ever.
Oh,
And
oh,
the
man.
AOL email part was free, so they would have kept their email even if they canceled their subscription. Like crazy.
How'd they log on to check their email?
Well, you could log on to AOL using broadband once broadband came out. So as long as you were already connected to the internet, you were good, and you could still log on to your AOL email. But AOL maintained like all the dial-up modems in like data centers and paid for all this stuff because they were raking in like, I forget what the number was. It was like 40 million a month or something. It was like crazy on 56K, dial-up subscriptions that most people weren't even using. And then once that dwindled away, slowly but surely it dwindled away, and then they sold. But it's crazy to see how far we've come now, like Starlink and everything else. Does anybody
Ghost,
else
don't
feel
be
like
laughing at people.
does anybody else feel like we're in like this, like in the last couple years or months, I don't know what it is, but like a particle accelerator? Like, does it feel like time is moving like crazy faster, or like things in this world are just getting like
I think the
crazier?
shift started during COVID. The great shift like the social paradigm. I mean, like we're all from before COVID, I expect, right? In this chat.
Oh,
So so if you think about it, this was not the normal social paradigm before COVID.
Dude,
What we're doing.
humans are not supposed to absorb this much information and in this amount of time.
That's true. What up, Kwai? Missed you. Been a minute.
Kwai, you better be happy to see us, okay? I don't want to hear any of this depressive stuff from you.
Yeah, I was waiting for it.
it's just wild how fast we're moving. I wonder how long it can maintain.
Well, the next time you go for a walk and you pass a bed of roses, stop and sniff the flowers once in a
Yeah.
while.
I would I appreciate the analogy, but I do like campfires. You know what I mean? Like,
There will never be another campfire like your campfire.
sitting by the campfire is like,
No, I totally agree. Remember, if you can just like think about like about 4 years ago, when it's summer, kids would be all over the street playing, right? Summertime. Like it was such a drastic shift that we totally forgot that the streets are supposed to be full of kids, just like loitering around, socializing. Malls are empty. I mean, people
no,
go to malls.
everything. It's just I feel like we're like spinning faster and faster, and then eventually something's gonna give, because this is like, even like YouTube and TikTok and how fast media is evolving and the tools that they're rolling. It used to take YouTube forever to roll out new tools. Now they're like, oh, we got to do this. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get everything so that everybody can sell something. Like, I feel like people don't want to be sold to anymore, and that this whole bubble is going to pop. I might make a YouTube video on that, because it's literally wild.
Wait a minute, I want to still go back to the nobody in the malls thing. That's because they're all online playing Call of Duty, teabagging each other.
It's
Because
weird how
remember when it was a thing to loiter in the malls? Now it's like people go to the malls because they already know what to buy, and when they buy the
Well,
thing, they leave.
there's a fundamental problem with that. It's just Amazon's closing malls down. I mean, then there's nothing there for them to hang around anymore.
I remember the days like Best Buy used to be open at like 2 in the morning for a game release. I didn't even want a game. I would just sometimes go there just because it was like cool. Or
Oh, it'd be
you know,
super fun.
you go to Walmart at like 3 in the morning just because. Like my wife and I would go and just like we'd just go to like do something. And like now it's like 9 o'clock, everything's shut down. Ain't nobody doing nothing. Nobody talks to nobody. I'm like, it's crazy. This world's wild.
I used to line up to get my drops, my J's, right? Like new pair of J1s release, and everybody would just be outside with their little chairs. Nobody does that. Everybody does the raffle draw now for the drop.
There's an update to the insider Bitcoin whale short guy who shorted the last crash. They boosted their short bet by a whopping 140%, slamming down a staggering $392 million wager that Bitcoin will tank.
Hmm.
No, this is 2 hours ago, isn't it? Ugh. I want to look up the wallet address. Gordon have it. No, not Jeff Gordon. Oh, there he is, Gordon. He posted the wallet address. Boop, boop, boop.
Did he take nibbles already? Did he take some profit?
Yeah, this is old news. Sorry, that was something I had already said 2 hours ago. Like, here we go. Hyperdash. They are
Man,
7.75 times leverage on $500,000. They're up $14.3 million. Their total value is $63.7 million. They have $101 on spot. That's crazy. Perpetuals, they have, it's all in perpetuals.
If you if you put BTC on the 1 hour and invert it, you'll know exactly what BTC is doing right now. It's if you invert it on the 1 hour, it's practically creating a double top inverted.
Oh yeah.
So basically, it's just gonna create. If to stay bullish, we need to create a lower high
Lower
on the
high.
inverted chart. Yeah, a lower high on the inverted chart, or at least reclaim 50% of the wick. Then we can start the rally. But if you invert it, it just makes sense. It's a bull flag, and just trying to make that double top. Trying to make that double top.
Dang, I wonder what's gonna happen to this guy. His unrealized P&L is 12.5 million. His entry price is 115,288. 115,288.
look at Bitcoin dominance.
Dang, he opened that. He opened that right before BlackRock started selling. If that's right. No, yeah. Like he opened the short and then BlackRock started selling. This is freaking redonkulous.
Yeah, it is. Especially when you buy the dip and it keeps dipping.
Prime.
15%.
Yeah, well, I mean,
How-
Dbloc put the right lines on the chart. We should have our buys in the right places. I mean, you still have that golden pocket. Now my buys are right there. Right there and 110 and everything else below. So
Oh
we'll see.
no.
If you're trading Bitcoin. Oh, is it?
I didn't mean to open
I
that.
think dominance is flying. I was down what?
Close.
Almost 15%. That's
Stupid.
4%.
111, 290. You have yours at 110? Isn't that a little low?
Dump.
Oh no, that's just another DCA. I have one in the golden pocket around 112, 111, wait, 111 something, and then 110 at, and then another way was the body of the body. I got a few buys just to make sure, because if we're looking for a volume candle, then it's definitely gonna reach like the other fibs. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
I might as well catch those as well.
Eat. That bag is gonna go back down to 38.
Let's see.
Looks good. 38 is
What? 110.8.
If ETH loses this area right here, 40.50, this area right here, we go straight to we might go back to 3,800. So if you have buy sub 4K, that would be good.
It looks like it wants to go to 38.
Yeah, I'm looking at BTC, ETH, and SOL. Those three. SOL is on the 200 of the 15. End of the day, these EMAs won't matter. We gotta wait for Biddy. I mean, having dominance this high, this late. I mean, we're in the fourth quarter and dominance is still at 60. Yeah, we gotta fix that.
It's dumping.
You're gonna. Oh, the 800 on the 4 hour is at 111,662.
I'm just expecting shit to come down this much. God.
111.
Yeah, 111, 236, something like that, 240, around that area. That's a good support area. Like 111, 250 even.
Yeah, I'm gonna front run it though.
Should see we come down. Huge. Same as everything else.
Hmm.
I'm talking to myself. I hate giving props back.
277. That's down 7%.
I only started doing that out loud when I started crypto. Start doing the math out loud, talking to the charts.
Beating your wife, all sorts of stuff.
Oh my god. All
Because she's
right.
got a better last name than you.
Oh,
Just kidding.
I'll tell you what her name is offline, like on, and you'll hear it, and you'll be like, "Oh, that is a pretty name."
Is it Oleander?
It sounds Italian, but it's not.
Rigatoni?
Rigatoni.
Montebello.
That's such cliche freaking name.
Oh my god.
Like Mario.
Rigatoni.
Rigatoni. I want some hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Yeah, Bangu.
See, Panchito?
Done that up for you.
¿Qué tal?
but here's the thing of having Spanish last names, even for Mexicans, even for us Filipinos. When you have a Spanish last name, that means your great 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 grandfather was a priest.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, because what the people that they sent to to Mexico and those Spanish colonies, they were trying to convert them, right? So they sent priests.
Yeah.
Yeah, the people who governed the towns weren't the soldiers. The soldiers were to protect the priests. So the people who governed and were rich in the town were the priests.
Well, they got lawsuits about that. Oh, well, I made some money back on shorting this, but I didn't break even. Doop, 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 doop.
Yeah, psychological high coming up. This is something that Dbloc mentioned. It's something that we might hit and find some reaction and hopefully some better price action than what we've been seeing.
This is price action. At least it's not going sideways.
Yeah.
12-1.
Beautiful.
Whoa.
That 110 I was mentioning, that's a psychological low that I want. I just want to front run it.
Oh, gotcha.
I just woke up after seeing a 2000% 200x trade. Nothing better than that. So, thinking we're going for a lower low? Because the W is playing out quite well.
You mean a higher low?
Higher low, sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
That's an M, not a W.
Sorry.
Oh, a big W. Okay, I can see what you're trying to say.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a big W. If it forms, if it does make a higher low, that's a big W. That measured move gets us past all-time high.
Why hasn't this sucker taken his short profits yet? Can you
Because
imagine?
he's looking at Dbloc's chart. He's timing it.
I'm watching it in real time. This on Hyperdash. This thing is crazy.
What are you watching?
He's up. You can watch the short, his wallet live.
Oh, where is it?
Hold on.
That's cool. I gotta look at that.
As soon as I put it there, I'm gonna erase it though. Okay, it's in the chat.
Bubble chat.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, he's up 13M, right?
Did you click it?
Hold on.
Oh no,
Yeah,
I'm looking at a coin
you can
glass.
get rid of it.
I'm
Thank
looking at
you.
hyper liquid bills.
Okay. Anyway,
Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, chat where? General or this
Oh, I
VC
already
chat?
erased it.
All good. All good.
Hold on. Do you want it again?
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's in the chat.
Good luck.
64 million.
Good luck on that. Keep an eye.
That 492 million. What? Sheesh.
Yeah, he's yeah, this is the one I've been watching on CoinGlass. Yeah, he's up
Sheesh.
13. He's up 14 now. Let's go.
Yeah. It's kind of fun to watch it. Gross.
Well,
Ciao.
he's not even taking profits.
Nope.
Oh,
Come
don't, don't get it wrong. He was down 3 million. This guy held through 3 million. He was down 3 million before it started. He started
Yeah,
making
he sure
money.
was.
He's a savage. He's
Look at
taking all
freaking-
the money.
I wonder then if he opened it during the double top. Like, he probably shorted it on the first top and then it came down and then he entered.
He opened it on daily open. Smart.
Oh, yeah, he did, huh?
It's ridiculous. Shouldn't be.
Yesterday. The 12th, October 12th.
Yeah, he knew that price action would react to daily open, like then certain highs and lows had to be made. So he front ran it, went down 3 million, and got what he wanted. That means he knows something.
Sickening.
What coin is acting up
All
right now?
came down a lot. Pew, pew.
How much?
Got like 15%. That's almost 4 even.
Okay, I'm looking
Fine with me.
on the day. What's down on the day the most?
Even more.
MYX down 10%. Fartcoin is down 12%.
Toshi's up there. The one I'm in. Great. 8%.
G2 is
Like
dipping also
COAI
quite.
bounced.
Is GTEL back to $1?
No, I'm shorting G2 from the top, and now we're at 1.1334.
Damn, it's still that high.
Nah, it's gonna break. It's gonna break one.
Yeah, alts kind of pushed pretty hard from Sunday to Monday. I think that's enough for the last 2 days. On that double top, when we couldn't get to target 4, I took big bites out of alts.
Yeah,
And
I got out completely. I'm not riding this down. No way.
A good move, man.
yeah, a smart one.
And I've been buying the dip.
I mean,
It
I'm
keeps dipping.
DCAing just a little bit, like little tiny pieces, but like that M man was so obvious. I know it's like easy to say now, but like dude, they're playing games. They want to go after the people that recovered because there's people that they were not in a trade, and then they bought the dip, and now they're going after those people who, and like you just got to get out of the way. Let them play their stupid freaking games.
That's exactly
Ridiculous.
what's happening right now. Like the influencers are saying, the next move is people trying to revenge trade, trying to make up for their losses. That's why you have these massive longs. It's like the market didn't learn anything from what just happened. That was a
Too
clean
late
out
to get out.
leverage. So everybody wants to get in. Everybody wants to make their money back from what they lost. Imagine if you had positions like Bic. Bic had his sweep position since $1.16. If you've had that position for 6 months and you get liquidated, a lot of people, if you're new, you would revenge trade that, right?
We get a move up.
So that's what you're seeing right now. It's just exhaustion, market exhaustion, and you're seeing the real trend right now.
So I guess what I'm trying to say is there are people that didn't get wrecked that were sitting on the sidelines and they bought the dip. And what I'm trying to say is that the whales, Mark, whoever these people, like it doesn't matter. They're now going after the people that originally did not get wrecked, and they thought they're buying the dip, and they're going to think they're going to ride it up, and now they're going to turn it around on them. So everybody will get touched by this. And what I'm saying is I rode the dip up, but I wanted to go up higher, but it's just not realistic. It's just like, it's like, get out of the way, let it do the other side of the W, and then maybe get back in.
We are
'Cause, like-
oversold.
Like I was
30.
one of those type of people who used that recovery to get me out of my bad spot I was in. If I would have been, 3 years ago, I would have stayed in that trade and got wrecked twice. And it's just like, nope,
Yeah.
not doing it. Not playing your dumb freaking games.
All these games are sickening.
No games, just sports.
They need to get rid of leverage. Just get rid of it.
Man. I didn't get out the way on spot. I'm thinking
Yeah,
about
sometimes
ETH broke support. So that's your 40,
Okay.
50 support. Next
Would
stop
you
is
bail?
38.
Thinking about
Oh,
bailing
man.
on spot.
Yeah, that's a huge gap that ETH is about to eat up. That's a big
I'm
gap.
out of here. I'll just take the loss. I'm out. Spot. Okay.
Are you doing ETH?
If you're on spot,
Um,
then just chill, man.
Yeah,
Like, how
come
big of
back
a
up.
difference? Where did you buy? What's your average?
I'm down like 8%.
They're gonna get you to buy it higher, then they're gonna come back down and get you more.
Well, I'm on spot and I took a 22% hit from like into my profits. And what I'm trying to say is even on spot, you could have bought that dip and increased your spot position, but you can't stay in it.
Yeah, maybe I'll get out and buy back in. I mean, it could keep coming
Yeah,
down.
that's what they do. You get out, then it's gonna rip up. You're gonna buy in higher, then it's gonna come
Yeah.
back down. That's what they want.
sometimes you can do a good one, but compound like that, and then sometimes it doesn't work. So,
Well,
but
that's what I'm saying is that like the dip, all of the timelines, their RSIs were bottomed, and I was like, it has never failed me to buy then. Now, again, you have to get out of the way though. You can't write it up for 3 days. You gotta Sunday was beautiful. Saturday night and Sunday to Monday morning was beautiful, and even throughout the day on today was great. But dude, you could see it in the charts. I started to see bullish divergences on Link, and I was like, this is not going to turn out great. And I'm assuming the rest alts were kind of doing the same thing.
Yeah, you could look at every alt. It looked really messy heading into that drop. Like the maybe 2-3 hours right before that drop, it was just red green, red green. It was just like it was the world forcing itself to push the price up where it shouldn't be at the moment. No
This-
real
this-
momentum.
I was saying that yesterday, man. It was disgusting. Red, green, red, green, red, green. I don't know how many candles. Oh man, it was making me sick. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green.
this is crazy. This
Nuts.
person's is up $10.3 million in the last 24 hours.
And so unfair.
Unrealized P&L 14.4 million.
Big sells. We're kissing psychological high right now.
If Trump is the highest, one of the highest Bitcoin holders, he could be like, "Here you go, son."
We
Let
should
daddy
get some
help
type of
you.
bounce. At least get a bounce here.
Yeah, no, I mean the RSI on the 1 hour has room. The 4 hour stochastic can keep going.
I've been
The
dumping for
15
10
and the
hours.
30 are oversold though.
Okay. So some type of little bounce I can get. Maybe get out the way. Try getting something
Yeah.
back.
If it hits the psychological low and then gets absorbed in a wick, I'd be all right with that, because then the 1 hour maybe would close at a higher low and like leave a wick behind. Is the gap filled? Is this vector gap? No, it's not yet. Almost. 111,382. 11,382. Gonna move that right there. Boop. Dang, man. Freaking that stupid market maker move earlier that stopped me out of my short. So mean.
And I'm still in that, but that ain't helping enough.
See, this is where stop losses suck.
I'm now up $20 on a buck.
Here it goes.
Oh my god. Let me get another short out. Well, I mean,
No, it's late. Now you
different
don't.
coin. Different coin.
Oh,
This is a very late. This is a very late. Oh, not Bitcoin.
No.
Okay, I thought you were gonna show Bitcoin. This is a little late for a short.
okay, we hit the psychological high right there. We're gonna do one little buy-in right there. Boop. Boop. Didn't fill me. No.
Oh, we lost 4K.
Ooh, that trader's up 15 million.
Buy signals in.
One of my
Let's go
buys.
110. I want this thing to hit 110. Come on, baby. Give me that psychological low.
Dang,
Okay,
you
it's
get
gonna fill that gap hard. Soul is bye-bye. All right.
What's total doing?
Oh my goodness. Oh god, slow down.
Careful,
Total.
careful.
What's with this 3% candle? What the hell? Have to buy that?
Yeah, total hasn't hit its psychological low yet.
Dow went to 397, man.
I mean high. Psychological high. It hasn't. Total can still keep falling.
13%.
Which would probably put Bitcoin at the psychological low if total hits psychological high.
So
Come on, big green
I'm
candle.
looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour. That does not look like it wants to reverse anytime soon. At this point, like if you guys want to do leverage, be careful. On spot, just wait for a real structure, like a really good structure, a higher low that makes a higher high. Because right now, look at how many successive, even on the 1 hour, there's like what, 10 successive red candles? It's crazy.
Yeah, but it's gonna get tired, Ghost.
I can't.
He still hasn't taken profits.
Let's
short.
see. Oh, Coin Glass just showed some good heat right here. Liquidations. Let's zoom out 24 hours.
Are you
Down
following?
to 110,302. There's some good heat. 110,302. Is that too low?
989.
110,302. Yeah, that'd be a
Which
little low.
short are you following?
The
Here's
Bitcoin
the problem that we have
whale.
right now. Buy the next agreeable buy wall is at 108.
He's
don't
up
see any buy-
16 million.
Where can I
I
see
don't
it?
see any buy from 108 all the way to where we are. Basically, we went through it. We were supposed to bounce on that psychological high. We ate the buy wall, 1,200 Bitcoin. We ate through it, right through it. Next
I'm
buy
down
wall
3.
I'm seeing is at 108.
108?
Yeah.
That's the buy wall I'm looking at.
Oh, that's the ascending, huh? Oh my
Watch
gosh,
out.
I should.
He's going to
Man,
leverage
I'm so upset. I'm
Dump
closing
it,
my
dump it,
short,
dump
man.
it, dump it.
Come on,
Oh
Eve.
my goodness.
Go to 3,000. Go to 2,000.
What the hell, man?
Wow! Look at that.
Beautiful.
Wow. They're up
Wow.
16,
Go dominance.
no,
Go.
17 million. They still
Test
didn't
them.
take profits.
Come on.
Wow, they're greedy.
Yeah, my phone is nonstop. Like,
No kidding.
vibrating.
Mine too. I can't do shit. Every time I go to do something, my phone gets a notification.
They're up
Get
34%.
vibrating, freezing, man.
You can copy trade them? Wow.
There we go, baby. Look at that candle.
If you fall beneath this descending this angular line from ETH, ooh, then we're going to fall quickly. 3,908.
Yeah, it's a big gap. It's a big gap that vector candle made on ETH, and it starts from 3,800. So I think that's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
safe. Yeah, that's the safer bet at the moment. We broke
Oh, and the
support. Of course.
Bitcoin went down to 111. Is that what I'm seeing? Yeah, right where Dbloc's chart is. I hit it right. So freaking aggravating, man.
Oh,
I'm seeing some SVCs forming, but let's
Good
wait.
morning,
For
good
candle close.
morning.
The ribbons are also forming open, so
mhm.
Yeah,
Get
let's wait for
fooled.
a candle close before we get excited.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna wait for a
likes to do
retest
that.
at least on the 1
Give you-
minute.
Give you a couple green candles, make you think it's over, and go right back down.
Let's go
Yeah.
there.
Nasty.
Nasty, nasty.
Nasty.
Noise.
Dow came down what, like 17%? See?
There's a lot of liquidations down there. in Dbloc's
Yeah.
chart.
BNB doing BNB.
Wow.
Just chilling
Okay.
at
We get 2 candles,
1100.
that's it. Fake
Well, the
USD.
bear flag that it created on the 1 minute, the target is 111.
The 1 hour shows still some downtrend. The 2 hours just begun.
Yeah.
The daily is still in the green, so boys, I don't think this
No.
is over.
The daily's not in the green. What do you mean?
I'm looking at BNB.
Oh, BNB. Okay.
BNB come down to, what's that thing doing?
1192.
So, I know gold went back up, huh? We hit 4,200.
Gold rallies like this once in a blue moon, so when it does, it does. There's no stopping it. You're gonna have to wait on it on the daily or weekly even. There's no use looking at that in a lower time frame. That thing just wants to run.
A lot of money, man. Woo. 41.22 came down a little bit. Still
What's going to be
2%.
interesting later during market open is what happens to Nasdaq and S&P, because both of them are pointing downward, right? So let's see if they can.
High or low on the 10-second.
Yeah, 30%.
On the 15, that candle still doesn't want to close above that fib. I'm not too confident on it yet.
It hit the measured move of the double top on the 15. Or triple top, actually. We are back at the price that Sailor bought. A buy trend has started.
Which time? You Sailor bought a bunch of times, you know. You
The-
can't say that.
This
Which
last time.
The last time?
Yeah.
All right. What was it? 113. I think that was his last buy. 113. He must
He
have
didn't
a.
pick up my other orders, Bitcoin.
He has to have a bag somewhere else, Sayla.
Alts forming SVCs. Looking good.
Man, I missed it? No. Really?
Did it all for the biscuit.
Maybe a higher low?
I'm searching for a higher low.
RSI is turning green on 5 minute. Target could just be a retest of the 50 on the 5 though. Like 112.7. Where's that crypto Cypher guy?
Oh. He's on the block somewhere. On Dbloc.
He's on that portfolio.
I'm from Dbloc, man. I'm from Dbloc. Who was that, man?
Is Dbloc like O block?
You remember that guy? I'm from Dbloc. You know who I am?
Oh
from
yeah.
You know, what was his name?
Yeah.
SRS? What the hell was his name?
Oh
That's
my
it.
god, I couldn't stand that guy.
Yo, I'm
No.
from the block. Yo, I'm from the block. You know what I mean, man? Man,
Big bag.
yo fam. I'm from the
Yeah,
block, fam.
big bags.
Yo, I got big bags. Yeah, I bought. What do you say? Something about Doge.
Stop
Man,
playing.
that guy.
I got a huge bag, 700 Doge. He said.
Stop playing with me, man.
Yeah, fam. From the block.
Oh, bam, I'm black. J Sames.
The
J
block.
it was like Jason, but written different.
There was one. He had just him and the other one used to go back and forth. It was just two letters. SRR. What the hell was it? Had an S in it.
YK.
YK.
Yeah, what? Yeah, I
YK
hated that
2000.
guy.
That was it. KY2.
SK.
SK. That was it. SK and yeah.
Where is the block, guys? And women's.
The block. That means
In
the
the-
hood.
Somewhere.
No,
I'm
no,
sure
no, the real black. The real the block.
I'm sure he's somewhere around here. He's looking. Hey, could be eating. You don't know.
Hey, this
thinking
could
he's
be
here.
hit. This is getting
He'll be
recorded.
on
This is
soon.
history.
He usually comes back around 3 a.m.
You know, this
for
could be this. It could be over.
Europe Open.
I might have locked in the Big Short.
The Big Short. That guy still in the short?
Yep.
Feel comfortable as long as he's still in there.
His liquidation price is 124,000.
People want to see him get wrecked, though, man.
Oh
What
God.
was it? What's his liquidation? 121, right?
124,262.
Oh, it went up higher.
That's,
I know the other day
God,
there was people talking about they want to see him get wrecked, man. It was 121. Went up.
Yeah, but he added to it
Oh yeah, okay.
2
That's
hours
why.
ago.
Liquidation. Where's the liquidation position value? 24.2. Okay. Margin London. 14 million. 14 million.
Show trades. Can you look at trades?
29%.
110. I'll close my shorts at 110.
This guy is. That Baron Trump.
That's my only guess. It's got to be. And if it's not him, it's his personal assistant.
The young one, Trump's son, yeah, Baron. He hangs around with a
Shame,
lot of those
shame
dudes
on you,
like
Baron.
Aiden Ross, and them, man. Just,
You
and
could
they're
have
always
just
talking
made
about
money.
crypto.
We could have all made money together, Baron, while going up, but you had to do this treachery.
They're all making money. That, like Dbloc said, like everyone's in cahoots together. Everyone's making money together, but it's not us.
Well, if you can't beat
So
them,
it's
join
those
them.
it's those rich ones.
We'll just go short when BlackRock sells, and
It's
we'll be good to go.
Drake and Aiden and Baron.
Well,
Do we
China
have
should be showing up soon. Go ahead, China.
China's already here, right? China opens up.
Save me, China.
No, they got to start. They got to start moving orders from the order book and hitting their
Yeah,
thing
that
in the
starts at
dinner.
8, doesn't it? Doesn't that start at 8? Europe opens at
Do we have more downside, guys? What do you think?
3.
If CZ wants it, we will. We got to pay homage to our master of crypto, CZ, ruler of the cryptoverse. All hail China.
Man, can't believe I gave that much back.
All hail communist crypto. Sheesh.
Trump to visit Malaysia for border ceasefire talks.
Well, Ghost, I'll be moving to the Philippines soon. Got to stretch out this dollar.
Man, might not be a good time to move here. Got all them earthquakes happening every week.
All right. That's all right. It's better than being poor.
Stopping volume candle into that measured move. What's going on, y'all?
Hey,
Hey.
Welcome back.
Yep.
Just
We
came to
caught
check
that
on shit before
SVC.
bed.
Make that little
If this
buy.
holds up.
We're done. We're done. Good.
What y'all up to?
Waiting to see if this turns red.
how long you been
Close
sitting
my-
there?
Not long. I just came back.
The BlackRock wallet is selling.
Again?
Again?
Well, whenever you said, Tana.
That was 7
that
hours
was,
ago now.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. 7 hours.
Yeah.
We ain't
when I
been
was
here
mad, it
that
was
long.
5 hours.
Yeah, it was 7 hours ago. Because when I said it, it had been 3 or 5 hours ago.
Mhm.
I think the first time I said it was
okay.
3, and then yeah.
It
You
looked to me
you
like
said
a
it first,
very-
Emad. You said it first, Emad.
No, I asked. I don't know.
Oh no, you said it, and they had been.
I'm just
watching Arkham.
wanting to
I'm
know.
confused with the sales though. They were selling 300, 300, 300, and then there's this one sell at 272.
I just want to know if they're doing it.
Yeah,
What
7
about the
hours
short?
ago, exactly. 7 hours ago.
short's still
7 hours
open.
ago.
Okay, he's still open, so
It's still
I'm gonna
open.
go with what he says. I'm gonna keep mine open.
That could be what he wants people to do. It could be clickbait.
This looks like a legitimate SVC. Careful there, Emad. Like this is the 618. This is the psychological high also.
Well, tell the
It was a great
billionaire. I'm poor.
Help me, I'm poor. I was quoting the bride.
It's all right.
And good, because I'm right there with you.
I'm poor when the bear market starts. I mean, when the bull
Hell
market,
yeah.
when the bear market is over, I'll go get money. I know we're still in a bull market, I think.
Dang, I don't know if this is going to be shape or if it's going to. I need a retest. Preferably on the 15-minute or something.
ETH got a stopping volume candle off the 0.5 retracement. Well,
Good. Need to eat the turnaround. Get dominance back down.
I still think ETH should go to 3,800. That's a great
Great.
place just to clean up that gap. 618 also.
$111.5.
Just drop it to 102 again.
What?
you guys gonna buy when it gets there this time, or are we gonna have to drop it back to 102 after it recovers? Like, we need you guys to buy the dip so you can stop praying for it to go lower.
Yes.
Waiting
I
to buy
will.
the dip again.
I will
Again.
take all my short money and buy it
Yes.
and replace all the money I lost from my,
Give me one big hedge.
which I did not close.
I'll buy more in like 9 days.
9 days. Dbloc's birthday?
Well, that's when I get paid next.
How old are you getting, Dbloc?
Why? Dbloc has 23 October birthday?
Young enough to know the right watch to buy, old enough to not put diamonds in it.
Aye.
In 9 days, I have two birthday Dbloc. You have 23 October?
24th.
Ah, me 23.
Nice.
Let's go,
Birthday
brother.
bros.
We are scorpions.
Yes, sir.
Yins. I know, got a lot of people born in October.
I'm a half horse, half man with an arrow. Yeah, I don't really believe in none of that, by the way.
I'm in Aquarius.
It's paganism.
Dbloc, do you think that this guy that's shorting is gonna wait till he's like he's got a number in his mind of how much he wants to be up, like a bet or something? Like unrealized P&L of 18 million or something. If he closes that, that should hypothetically give us a market buy, right?
We're close to 110.
Yeah.
110 flat.
I want to see him get liquidated. Come on. 124, Jesus.
I'll take it.
Just send him a post message.
Yeah, they must have been. How many longs were in here? High leverage. My God. I tell you, I didn't do any. I can't afford to, or I would be done. Can't take another liquidation on being long again.
They would both have to be invalidated. Craze. You can invalidate a 15-minute stopping volume candle. As long as the 5-minute isn't invalidated, it'll still stand. And remember, to invalidate the stopping volume candle, you need the body of the next candle to close underneath. Right? So a wick isn't enough. The actual body has to close underneath.
This guy's still, he's still open with the short.
Put it up and watch it. Well, I did.
Are you watching it?
Not at this moment, but I have it on one of my screens.
Stopping volume candle on the 5, 15, and the 30.
It's all right. This close all button right here.
Kind of short. How did price just go up? He was just what? No, he's up to 50 million profit.
We'll just wait for him to close.
He's a bad trader if he doesn't sell a sell off like that, don't you think?
That or he knows, or he knows somebody
But
who can
that's,
push it down.
I guess so. It's just a really impressive move down in a short amount of time.
Cheating.
Well, I guess we could have taken advantage.
I'm joining his crew.
Yeah, he just opened a 115.
Cheat squad.
Yeah,
Cheat
who's
squad.
this guy? This is the same guy from the other day?
Yeah.
How does he know? He knows something.
These guys are so screwed when drones are smaller than flies, which they already are. You can just sneak right into their house and look at their monitor.
Yeah, poison into the neck.
No, let them do it, man. Let them do their thing. They're the ones with the big bank accounts. You're not going to stop their bank account. So just watch their trade.
Yeah, they really do. I seen one of those mechanical flies. Amazing.
Dude, the CIA's been using them for a while now. They're pretty impressive. I saw one that's about twice the size, but it was still smaller than your thumb at a convention. Super impressive, man. Like 1080p resolution. Just insane.
Making that thing is crazy.
Is remote control?
Yes, and also autonomous too. Like, so you get it in the original, you get it in the specific area that you want it to go to, and then it navigates itself and gives feedback to make sure that everything's good to go.
Crazy.
That is dangerous.
And it's super quiet too. Like you don't know unless unless you're paying attention. But if you're like got your headphones on and you're like locked in the screen trading or whatever, you ain't gonna know what's there.
Something that's small. You think it's a real fly. Just the 1 minute must have some that look like birds and shit. People already think that birds. 3 o'clock. We're gonna get hot.
2. I mean, anything above 1092 is a higher. What you gonna do, Jacket? Getting back in?
I'm about a quarter back in now.
Well,
I just bought Link at 18.3.
snap. You the man.
I don't know, man. I just get this weird feeling we're gonna form like a real visual W, not a normal like Dbloc W that he draws, but like a full W to test bottoms again. That's just like I have no evidence. I'm just being here long enough. They're gonna push it to the edge, man.
That's where BJ's been. I was wondering what happened to BJ. I haven't heard her in a while.
She's in her
Where is
channel.
she?
Yeah.
She's
it's on her
streaming.
channel.
She's been streaming in her channel.
Word up.
I said hi to her earlier today.
Yeah. I forgot about that. So I don't.
There's a few people in there that I've never even talked to before.
She's our mommy. She's the mommy of Discord. I miss her when I don't hear her voice.
Okay, we're gonna hold.
Well, I mean, for as much as people talk smack about her in the chat, I don't blame her for going back to her own Discord.
Yeah, I was reading the other, Probably the last day I seen her on here, someone was talking, what the hell was that? Then how do you read that? What the, yeah.
Well, then they would, how she gives her audio account of what's going on, and then people will like, I can't follow, I can't see it. It's like, and you tell them to join Discord, and like, I don't have Discord, and it's like, then stop bitching. Bunch of cockbiters sometimes.
Oh, they're upset they couldn't see it on YouTube.
Yeah, because they can only see Dblocs, but Dbloc would be away, and she'd be giving like a rundown of what's going on, but because they're not in her stream or not in the Discord, they can't see it. But it's literally free. Like they could literally join and look at her.
Only worth it.
It's laziness.
I need another monitor. I'm running out of room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages.
It's funny because she took a bunch of people with her too. They're all over there in their lounge chatting it up right now.
Yeah. That's why I was wondering. It's been quiet on here. That's why.